Hello again, and welcome to the Advanced Career Institute. Today, we will address a very important question. What will replace trucking? The transportation industry is on the brink of a revolution. With advancements in technology and innovation, the future of freight is undergoing a transformation. But what will replace traditional trucking as the primary means of transporting goods? Join us as we explore the possibilities. Let's ask an engineer on the question. What do you foresee as the future of freight transportation?
The future of freight is likely to be a combination of various modes of transportation, each optimized for different types of cargo and distances. While trucking will still play a significant role, we can expect to see a rise in alternative methods such as drones, Hyperloop systems, and autonomous vehicles.
Drones have already begun to make their mark in the transportation industry, particularly for last-mile deliveries in urban areas. With the ability to bypass traffic and deliver packages directly to doorsteps, drones offer a fast and efficient solution for small, lightweight goods.
Drones have the potential to revolutionize the way we think about logistics. By leveraging autonomous technology and advanced navigation systems, we can deliver goods with unprecedented speed and precision, all while reducing congestion on the roads.
In addition to drones, Hyperloop systems hold promise for long-distance freight transportation. By propelling cargo pods through low-pressure tubes at high speeds, Hyperloop technology could drastically reduce delivery times and carbon emissions.
Hyperloop systems have the potential to completely transform the way we move goods across long distances. With speeds exceeding 700 miles per hour, these systems offer a level of efficiency and sustainability that traditional trucking simply can't match.
But perhaps the most disruptive force on the horizon is autonomous vehicles. With advancements in artificial intelligence and robotics, self-driving trucks are poised to revolutionize the trucking industry, offering a safer, more efficient alternative to human drivers.
Autonomous vehicles have the potential to revolutionize the way goods are transported. By removing the need for human drivers, we can reduce the risk of accidents and improve the efficiency of logistics operations, ultimately saving time and money.
As we look to the future, one thing is clear: the transportation industry is on the cusp of a major transformation. While traditional trucking will continue to play a vital role, the rise of drones, Hyperloop systems, and autonomous vehicles promises to revolutionize the way goods are transported, making logistics faster, safer, and more sustainable than ever before. From drones to Hyperloops and beyond, the future of freight transportation is bright with possibilities. As we embrace these advancements, we can look forward to a more efficient and sustainable transportation system for generations to come. Are you ready to start a new journey? Consider a career in trucking and explore a world of options on the open road. For additional information on Advanced Career Institute, call +1 702 476 5067 or visit advanced.edu/locations/Las Vegas-campus. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more truck-related content. Until next time, drive safe.